Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna discuss about life insurance. And uh, the company name is Policy Bazaar. You guys can see this, and we're going to find out what is the requirement, where, and what's the Policy Bazaar say. And so that's why please watch the video till the end and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and please keep supporting me. So let's get started. And um, today gonna discuss about policy was a life insurance on Carol life cover, and the race is 419. It's almost a 500 uh, Indian rupees. So let's see that what's policy was a life insurance uh, says and requirement here. So this is the main interface of policy was a life insurance terms insurance uh, form fluff. And here is use you need to press your name, your birth date according to your ID card, and here is the number you have to do, you have to give. And then which countries you from, you guys to press this on, and you guys can find your um, country name, and you have to press that. And then uh, you guys can view free quits. And let's see that's what policy was our privacy policy says about this. You guys can see this one, this basic of your profile rest for 415 per month is almost 15 Indian rupees per day is the starting price for a on crore terms life insurance for an 18 years old male non-smoker with no pre exciting diseases, and cover up to 3 years of age, round up to the nearest 10. And the rest of 419 month per month is rest 16 Indian rupees per day is starting price of on crore term life insurance for an 18 years old male non-smoker with no pre-exciting diseases, cover up to 38 years of age, round of the nearest 10. And prices offered by the insured are as per the Indrai approved insurance plans. All saving the online discounts are provided by the insurers as per IRDAI approved insurance plans. Standard terms and condition apply. Tax benefits are subject to change in tax law. Policy Bazaar Insurance Bookers Private Limited for more details on risk factor, terms and condition, please read the sell voucher carefully before concluding a sale. Policy Bazaar Insurance Broker Private Limited CIN number is U74 999 2014 PT C 05 3454. A registration office plot number, you can see this is their address. And let's see that their privacy policy and term of use. You need to read it very carefully, the privacy policy and terms and condition. So this is the term of use. Welcome to the policybazaar.com website, and operated by Policy Bazaar Insurance Brokers Private Limited. And Policy Bazaar provides its service to you subject the following condition. Before you may use the site, you might read and accept all the terms and condition and linked to these terms of use and linked privacy policy. We strongly recommend that as you read this to you also access and read the linked information, since it is incorporated into the hereby made part of this to you. And this to you is effected upon acceptance use of any functionality of the site. And This is a description of service. You need to read this carefully before apply for the life insurance. And this is the license site access. Policy Bazaar grant you a limited license to access the make personal use of the site and service. This license does not include any downloading or copying of any kind of information for the benefit of another individual, vendor, or any other third party. You need to wrote this also wall. And this is the eligibility. The service is not available to minors under the age of 18, or any user suspended or removed from the system by the policy Bazaar for any reason. And your account, so this is there is the information about your account, what you need to do, and what you have to maintain, so what you have to follow. And this is the submitted content. Policy Bazaar does not claim ownership of any materials you make available through the site at Policy Bazaar sold description. Such materials may be included in the service in whole or in part, or in a modified form. Then you need to wrote this disclaimer of the liability of warranty. The content, products, and service published on this site may include uh, or euros include pricing euros. We do not guarantee the accuracy of the disclaim all liability of any euros or other includes relating to the information and description of the content. Then you need to wrote this disclaimer or disclaimer of online the ability information and clicks through. And then you need to read this cancellation and refund chargeback terms and condition. This is the main important part in this terms and condition. You need to read this very carefully. I didn't read this all because the video is going to big, that's why. Then you need to um, read this additional terms and condition of proposal form. This is about the form condition. What is you need to give your information, what information they uh, going to ask for. That's all. You guys can find this. And then you need to understand this. You understand, agree that section 41 of Insurance Act, no person shall allow to or offer to allow either directly or indirectly as an inducement of any to any person to take out or renew or continue an insurance in respect of any kind of risks. And then you need to read this customer due diligence requirement. And then license disclaimer, local laws. Then you need to read this limitation of liability, then indemnity, then electronic communication, then site provide email or posting. You need to about this link also. And then access to password protected and secure areas, modify the notification of charges, then tricks marks. Then you need to read this survival of stamps and agreement ends, then general information. You need to read this all very carefully. Then you need to apply. Then you have to apply for the insurance. That's what is telling about. And this is for today. And this is about Policy Bazaar. um, See you soon. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye.